Good morning,
Good morning,
everyone.
Krishna. Good morning, ma'am.
Very good morning.
Which class, ma'am?
Yes,
Which class?
you tell me which class. Who is going to tell me which class?
Ma'am, we won.
Yes, we won.
EVS.
EVS?
EVS, ma'am.
Sure?
EVS class, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. So, open your EVS tier 2 books. We will do revision. Okay? Quickly open your EVS tier 2 books. What is this?
Tier 2 take a-
हो तीच आहे ऐक ऍडमिटर काय
Ma'am, which page?
No page. We are going to do revision. Okay? We are going to do revision through the worksheet. Yesterday I told you all, right, that we are going to do revision.
Excuse me, ma'am. Book none.
लिहून घेते मी वर्कशीट पाठवून नंतर
Okay.
पाठवते
Go on mute, everyone. Go on mute, everyone.
म्यूट कर
I want each one of you to go on mute. Only then I am going to start the class. Very good. Good job. Okay, now we will discuss all the questions, okay, in the tier 2, right? So that a quick revision is done for all of us. Okay? So,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
Excuse me.
ma'am. Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you going to send this paper or we have to write?
No, I am going to send this paper.
Yeah, thanks, ma'am. Thanks.
Yes, now we will just discuss. Later on, I am going to send you the same question paper for revision at
Yeah.
home. Okay?
Yeah.
You
Thank
all
you.
can write. Okay. So let's start. One by one, I am going to ask you questions to each one of you. Okay, we will begin with Aradhya Jha. Aradhya Jha. Ravi, mute yourself.
अपन म्यूट नहीं कर यस मैम
Okay, Aradhya. And all of you also. Okay, listen to me.
पापा
What is happening, Salim sir? Allow them to unmute.
I've already done it, ma'am.
She is not able to unmute herself, it seems. Aradhya, are you able to unmute yourself? No?
From my end, there's no setting like that.
Aradhya, try to unmute yourself.
यस नाउ इट इज अ म्यूट
Okay. So, do you all remember what did we all learn in tier 2? We have learned different types of plants, right? Herbs, shrubs, trees, okay? Creepers, climbers, all of these different types of plants we have learned. We have learned about different parts of the plants, and also we have learned about the plants that are there above the ground, under the ground, and what do we get from the plants. All these things we have learned, right, in the
Yes,
first
ma'am.
unit. So Aradhya, on that I am going to ask you a question. Dash are small plants with green stems. Tell me what are the small plants with green stems. What are the plants with green stems called? They are small plants, okay, with green stems. Think. Shrubs, herbs, trees, creepers, climbers.
shrubs ma'am shrubs
Shrubs. Do shrubs have green stems or they have
herbs
herbs?
shrubs
No, it is herbs. Answer is herbs.
Herbs, ma'am.
Herbs are the plants, okay, with green stems. What are the plants with green stems? Herbs.
मैम हमें लिखना है.
No, you don't have to write it now. I'm going to send you this worksheet. You all can solve this worksheet after the class. Okay. Now we will just discuss these answers. Okay. But
Ma'am,
I
also-
want you all to sit properly.
क्योंकि मेरी मम्मी तो दुकान भाई के पास है.
What happened? What happened?
Don't.
Rishi, क्या हुआ? Is there any problem, Rishi? Okay. Now, after Aradhya, Virat Nayak.
Ma'am.
Dash are the big and strong plants. Tell me which are the big and strong plants. They are very-
We will write to notebook.
No, not now. Not now. Okay, after the class, you all can solve this again in your notebook. Now we will do just orally. Okay, we will discuss the answers. Yes, Virat.
Tree.
That's right, trees. Okay, trees are the big and strong plants. Very good. So that means you all are studying at home. Okay, very good. Now next, Raghav. Raghav, unmute yourself and answer this question. Dash are small plants with strong woody stems. Which are the plants with strong woody stems? Raghav, answer. They are not very big plants, okay? They are small plants, but they have strong woody stems. Okay, Rishi, you answer. Rishi,
Yes.
tell me what are the plants with strong woody stems called?
Rose.
Listen to the question properly, Rishi. Okay, we have learnt about herbs, trees, shrubs, creepers, climbers. Do you all remember what are all these things?
Yes.
Okay, then you tell me what are the plants with strong woody stems called? They are not very big plants, okay? But they are small plants with... Is this Rishi answering? I want only Rishi to answer this question. Yes, Rishi. What are they called?
Herbs.
Herbs. Herbs का stem woody होता है क्या Rishi?
No.
Then herbs have green stems, right?
Yes.
So what are these plants called? They are bigger than herbs but smaller than trees. Think. Okay, Karthik, you give me the example. Give me one example of this type of plants. Don't tell me what are they called. Just give me one example.
Rose.
That's right, rose. Okay. So what is rose? Is it a herb, tree, shrub, creeper, or climber?
Rose.
Shrub. That's right. Okay, shrubs. Shrubs. Okay. Shrubs are small plants with strong woody stems, and examples are rose and tulsi. Okay. Aradhya, sit properly and pay attention. Each one of you should pay attention. Okay, if I see you not sitting properly, then I'm not going to ask you any question. Okay, and keep your videos on so that I can see you all. Okay, Chinmay. Okay, tell me the fourth one. Dash are the plants which need support to climb. Climbers. Very good. Give 2 examples.
Money plant.
And one more. Yes, grapevine. Okay, correct.
मैम कौन सी बुक?
Who is asking this?
प्रियम.
Priyam, did you join now?
वीडियो ऑन नहीं है.
Why you have joined so late, Priyam? We are doing EVS revision, Priyam. Mute yourself. Rishi, now did you understand what are shrubs? Okay, all of you pay attention. Even if I am asking question to one child, that doesn't mean that others are not supposed to listen. Okay, this revision is for everyone, right? So each one of you should pay attention. Otherwise, you will not get good marks in the exam. Do you all want to have good marks in exam? Show me a thumbs up.
I want
Yes. Yes. Then you have to pay attention.
ma'am.
When the revision is going on, you all have to pay attention. Okay? So, ऐसे मत समझो कि ma'am is not asking me. Okay? So, even if I am asking question to any one child, all others are supposed to pay attention. Okay? Because you all are going to get the same question paper, right? Yes? And this revision is for each one of you. Not only for the one whom I am asking. Okay?
Ma'am, in notebook we have write.
You write in the notebook after the class. I'm going to send you this again. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Now we will just discuss the answers. You listen carefully. Okay. So now the next student is Samaira. Samaira, tell me what are the plants which grow along the ground? Dash are the plants which grow along the ground. What are they called? Which take the support of the ground to grow?
Carrot.
Yes, Amira.
Carrot.
Listen to the question carefully. Okay, I'm not asking which plants grow under the ground. I'm asking along the ground. Ground के ऊपर जो ground का support लेके grow होते हैं. हमने पढ़े ये सारे types of the plants. Okay, herbs, shrubs, trees, climbers, creepers. We have learned.
Pumpkin.
Yes, that's right, pumpkin. But what pumpkin is called? Is it a climber, shrub, tree, herb, or creeper? Pumpkin is the right example, Samaira. Okay, but that is the example of creeper. What is the type of the plant? Creeper. Yes, okay. So creepers are the plants which grow along the ground, right? Creepers grow along the ground, and climbers, they need support to climb, right? So there is the difference between creepers and climbers. Climbers, they climb up like money plant, okay? And creepers, they grow along the ground like pumpkin, okay? So,
Okay.
yes. So this next egg is creeper. Okay, Samaira, mute yourself. Now, Aryan. Aryan,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Next question is for you. Dash comes first out of the seed. When the seed germinates, which part comes first out of the seed? Is it the leaf, stem? What is it? Or roots or a baby plant? What does it come? What comes first? Think, Aryan.
Leaf.
Leaf comes first. Seedling comes first. Okay, what is it? Seedling, that is a baby plant. What comes first? A seedling. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. So remember this thing always. Seedling or a baby plant comes first out of the seed. Okay? When the seed germinates. Okay, Aryan. Now next is Priyam. Dash is the source of energy on the earth. From where do we get energy? From where do the plants, everybody get energy? There is one ultimate source of energy. From where we get heat and light? Priyam, unmute yourself and answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, where do we get heat and light from? Heat और light कहाँ से मिलती है हमको? When you look outside the window, you can see light, right? Yes,
Yes.
Priyam.
Yes, ma'am.
So where does that light come from? बाहर कोई ट्यूबलाइट लगा हुआ है क्या बहुत बड़ा सा?
Really?
Then where does that light come from? Yes, say it again clearly. When you look outside the window, you can see light, right? You can see all the other things which are there outside. So where does this light come from? Simple question.
Sun, ma'am.
Who answered? Who answered this question? Priyam, sun, right? Bolo Priyam, say it, sun.
Sun.
Sun. Yes. Okay, from sun we get all the light and right. So sun is the source of energy on the earth. What is the source of energy on the earth? Sun. Sun is the source of energy on the earth. So I'm writing. We are discussing questions randomly from all the units. Okay, from all the units of the tier 2 book. Okay. Now Rudrani, next is for you. The earth has dash moons. How many moons earth has?
Earth has one moon.
Very good. The earth has
One moon.
one moon.
Ma'am.
Avik, stop doing that.
आम्हाला हे पण क्वेश्चन येणार.
हाँ क्वेश्चन ते प्रॅक्टिस साठी
Okay.
घेतात.
Okay. The earth has one moon. Okay. Now next is for Ravi. Ravi,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, the sun rises in the dash. In which direction the sun rises? Sun कहाँ से rise होता है, Ravi? From where does the sun rise?
East, west, north or west.
We have learned this, right?
Ma'am.
East or west.
East or west?
Ma'am, east.
Okay. So we will confirm your answer from some other students. Let's see if they know or not. Okay. Tanishka, tell me. Where does the sun rise from?
सनराइज कुठून होतो सांग ना टीचर.
East.
East. Okay. Let's see one more student. Okay. Shivansh, tell me, where does the sun rises from?
Sun rises from
East or west?
East.
Very good. Okay. So 3 of you have told the correct answer. Okay. The sun rises in the east and it sets in
Thank you,
the...
ma'am.
Where does it set, Shivansh?
East.
She's asking you something.
But where does it set?
Where does it set? It rises in the east. Where does it set? Ella?
Have you ever seen sunset? Sun rises
Sunset.
in the east and it sets in the west. Where does it set? In the west. Okay, remember this thing always. Okay, now dash is the insect which makes honey. Kanad, this question is for you.
Yeah.
Yes,
Honeybee.
Kanad, you tell me which
Honeybee.
insect makes honey?
Honeybee.
That's right, honeybee. Okay. All of you, I hope all of you are listening. Honeybee.
Ma'am.
Yes, honeybee is the insect which makes honey. Okay. It sucks nectar from the flowers and it makes honey. Okay, which is very tasty and yummy. Right? Okay, now.
Ma'am.
Dash.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
I drink honey water.
Okay, good. Dash has its own light. Arnav Kulkarni. Dash has its own light. Tell me who has its own light.
Sun.
Very good. Sun has its own light. Okay. And Arnav, who does not have its own light?
Earth.
Earth and
Moon.
very good. Earth and moon, they don't have their own light. Okay. Moon reflects the light of the sun. Okay. That's why it appears bright to us. Okay. But moon does not have its own light. Sun and stars, they have their own light. Okay. Shivansh, sit properly. Stop making faces and listen to what is being discussed. Okay. Next is for Ayura. Next question is for Ayura.
Yes, ma'am.
Earth rotates and revolves around dash.
Sun.
Sun. Very good. Earth rotates and revolves around sun. Okay. Now next question is for Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Aradhya Tikam. Earth is made up of dash and dash. What is earth made up of?
Land and water.
Very good. Land and water. That's right. So wherever you go on the earth, you either find land or water. Okay. And almost 70% of the earth is covered with water. Okay. We have discussed this already, right? Yes. Okay. Now next question is for Ishan. Ishan,
Yes, ma'am.
now you answer this question. Sun is hot ball of dash.
Hot gas, ma'am.
Hot ball of gases. That's right. Very good, Ishan. Okay, sun is hot ball of gases. Very good. Now, everybody, you have to look at the screen. This question might come to anyone. So be ready with the answer. Okay, now Abranil. Abranil,
Ma'am.
Abranil, moon is made up of dash. What is moon made up of?
Gas.
Moon, Abranil.
The ground.
Rocks, that's right. Very good, Abranil. Okay, moon is made up of rocks.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Abranil. Okay, now I'll clear these questions and we will move ahead. Now, next question is for Advik.
Yes, ma'am.
Advik, give me a moment. I'll just scroll this up. Advik, name the part of the plant that grows below the ground. Which part of the plant grows below the ground? Ground के नीचे कौन सा part होता है?
Root, ma'am.
Very good, Advik. It is root. Root grows below the ground. And Advik, which part grows above the plant? Above the ground?
Shoot.
Above. Root grows below the ground, right? And which part grows above the ground?
Stem.
Stem, that's right, okay? And it is also called shoot, okay? Root and shoot. Root grows below the ground and shoot grows above the ground. Okay. Now, next question is for Sharav. Sharav,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me which part of the plant bears leaves? Leaves किस part of the plant पे होते? Which part of the plant has leaves?
Stem.
That's right, stem. Okay, it is present above the ground and it bears all the other parts like, okay, leaves, fruits, flowers. Okay, so if anything is asked like leaves, fruits or flowers, you have to give the same answer, stem. Okay, Nirvan, give 2 examples of the animals that live both on land and in water. Give any 2 examples of the animals that live both on land and in water.
I can tell you.
No, this question is for Nirvan. Very good. Frog. And one more.
Rock.
No, others will not answer.
Oh.
Frog
Yes.
and Nirvan.
Alligator.
Alligator, yes. Or tortoise, right? Okay, Nirvan.
Snake.
Yes, correct. Okay.
I have one more.
Yes, Nirvan,
Total. I have one more.
tell me. Yes, Nirvan. Okay, Nirvan, tell me what are these animals called which can live both on land and in water?
Snake.
No, what are these animals?
That is example, but what are they called?
Land and water.
They can live both. Okay, see, we have learnt about 3 types of animals, 3 to 4 types, right? Land animals, water animals, arboreal, aerial, amphibians. So which are these animals?
Amphibians.
Amphibians, that's right. Okay, so amphibians are the animals that can live both on land and in water. Very good, Nirvan. Okay, mute yourself.
Amphibial. Amphibial म्हणजे काय जे जमिनीवर
Okay, so amphibians are the animals which can live both on land and in water. Okay, now Sanchita,
Amphibial म्हणतात त्यांना त्या सगळ्या प्राण्यांना.
mute yourself. Who is on unmute?
Yes,
Sanchita.
ma'am.
Okay, now you tell me what are the animals that live on trees called?
Squirrel.
They are squirrel is an example. You are right. But what are they called?
Tree.
Yes, they live on trees. But what are they? They are land animals, water animals, amphibians, or arboreals. What are these animals called?
Arboreal.
That's right, arboreal. And what is the example? Squirrel.
Monkey.
Monkeys, correct. Very good.
And squirrel also, na?
Yes, squirrel also. Okay. Arboreal. Very good, Sanchita. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, you can mute yourself. Now, next question is for Adil. Adil,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what are the babies of dogs called?
Puppies.
Very good. The babies of the dogs are called puppies. Okay, now Nabil, you tell me, where do penguins live? In what type of places penguins are found?
Cold place.
Cold places. That's right. Absolutely right. Very good. Okay. Cold places. All of you listen carefully. Okay. We are revising all the units randomly. Okay. Next question is for Shravya. Shravya, tell me how many legs does an insect have? Insect के कितने पैर होते हैं श्राव्या? How many legs? Okay, meanwhile Shravya thinks. Sarang. Okay.
क्या क्वेश्चन?
अरे इंसेक्ट के कितने पैर होते हैं?
Sarang, you tell me how many legs insect has? 6. Okay, Sarang is saying 6. Shravya is saying 4. Okay, let's ask few other students. Arush.
Ma'am, I can. Yes, ma'am.
Arush, you tell me how many legs insect has?
6.
Okay, Arush is also saying 6. How many legs insect have? Vivan?
I can.
Who is asking this?
Eight legs.
8 legs. Okay. We will ask you
Seven.
students. Let's
Ma'am,
see.
6.
Okay, next.
7.
Wait,
Ma'am,
wait.
10.
Krishna. Okay, Sanjita is saying 10. Krishna. Krishna.
Ma'am, 4 legs. 4 legs.
Who is saying 4?
Ma'am, 6.
Yes, those who are saying 6, that is correct answer. Okay. Though some have 8 legs also, but generally they have 6 legs. Okay, insects have 6 legs. Okay, though there are few insects which have more also, but generally insects have.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
आराध्या मैंने भी मुझे भी वो मेरा भी आंसर 6 ही था।
Okay. Okay, not 4. Okay, 6. Okay, and there are other some insects which have more also, but generally 6. Okay, now Sarang. Sarang,
Yes, ma'am.
name the 3 main body parts of an insect. What are the 3 main body parts of an insect?
Head,
Correct. Head, thorax.
abdomen.
Yes, correct. Head, thorax, and abdomen. So everybody remember this. These are the 3 main important parts of an insect's body. Head, thorax, and abdomen. Okay. Shravya, अभी आप correct answer दोगे इस question का. Okay, last time you were wrong. Okay. Give 2 examples. Give 2 examples of herbs. Shravya. Shravya, give 2 examples of herbs.
What? Question फिर से बोलो, मैम से पूछो.
Shravya, give 2 examples of herbs.
Yes.
Herbs के 2 examples बताओ Shravya.
Herbs.
Yes. Are you studying at home, Shravya?
क्या होता है मुझे पता.
Herb. क्या
Yes. Example of herbs.
पूछा भी example of.
Okay, Mithi, Shravya, mute yourself and listen to what others answer. Okay? और घर में पढ़ाई करनी है आपको. अभी एग्जाम है 2 दिन में आपका. ठीक है? मीठी, give 2 examples of herbs. Mint and grass. Yes, that's right. Mint and grass. Correct. Okay, that's right. Now, Vivan, you give 2 examples of shrubs. Shravya, आपको सबके आंसर
Yes, ma'am.
Vivan, give 2 examples of shrubs.
Rose and tulsi.
Very good. Rose and tulsi. Now Pranav Kunthewar.
Yes, ma'am.
Pranav, give 2 examples of creepers. Pumpkin is what? Tree. You just have to say pumpkin. And one more.
Money plant.
No, money plant is not a creeper. Watermelon. Okay. Pumpkin and watermelon. These are the two examples of creepers.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aradhya.
Our exam is after one day, na?
Yes, from 15th it is going to start.
Yes.
Okay, don't unmute yourself now. Each one of you have to listen to all the questions carefully.
Ma'am, we have to do this worksheet.
I will send you this worksheet. You do it later on. Okay. Solve this worksheet in your notebook afterwards. Now, Anant Malwar. Anant, quickly unmute yourself. Anant, give two examples of trees. Anant, trees, two examples of trees. Anant, I'm not able to hear you properly. Your voice is not audible.
Mango tree.
Mango tree. And one more.
Neem tree.
Neem tree. That's right. Mango tree and neem tree. Correct. Okay. Very good. Now, Arohi.
Yes, ma'am.
Give the names of 5 things that we get from plants. Okay. Tell me any 5 things that you get from plants.
Fruit, vegetables,
Yes. Fruits, vegetables,
flowers,
flowers.
oxygen, ma'am. Oxygen,
Okay.
ma'am.
But is it a thing that you can see things? Yes.
And
How do you make furniture?
wood, ma'am.
Wood, that's right. And what do you eat? Chapati, rice and all. What are these called?
Rice stand, ma'am.
Okay, wheat, rice. What are these called?
Grain.
Yes, food grains. Okay. So you get many things. Medicines also. Okay. From the and gum, right? So there are many things that you get from the plants. Remember everything, even spices, right? Okay. Now, who is left? Johan is left. Johan, give 2 examples of land animals. Any 2 land animals.
Lion,
Yes,
tiger,
correct. Okay, there are all the...
dog,
Yes, lion, tiger, dog, goat, sheep, buffalo. Okay, there are so many of them are there. Okay, these are all land animals. Now, Avik.
yes.
Avik, very good, Johan. Avik,
Yes, ma'am.
you give 2 examples of water animals.
Fish and shark.
Yes, fish, shark, okay, and and octopus. There are a lot of water animals as well, okay. So I hope I have covered all of you, right?
Fish also.
Yes, starfish also. So many of them are there, okay. And dolphin, right? Very good. Okay, so all of you have to revise, okay, at home as well after the class.
My chance.
Yeah, who is this asking my chance?
Raghav.
Raghav, I have asked you. Okay, I have asked each and every student. Now we will end this class here. Already 10 minutes extra time we have taken to cover all the students and also all the questions. Okay, and afterwards I'm going to send you this worksheet at home. You all solve this worksheet, okay, and write the answers in your notebook. Okay, so let's
Homework, ma'am.
end. High five in the air and bye bye.
Bye bye, ma'am. Bye ma'am. Bye ma'am. Bye ma'am. Bye ma'am.